So in this video we are going to make a spicy plantain chips. Just have this one at the back of your mind. Then when making a plantain chips, you need unripe plantain. So this is our plantain. Just want to make sure it's thoroughly rinsed. So that's all the plantain over here. Now it's time to fry it and add all the ingredients you want to add. Let's see. I'm going to take my measuring cup. I use the smallest one to measure my pepper. So I'm going to use a ground pepper. I'm just going to use small, just a pinch of it. So this is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to put it there. That's okay, because I don't want it to be too spicy. A little bit of salt, just small. That's all. Then what am I going to do next? You mix it. So now this is crunchy enough. The first batch is done. So I'm just going to take it out from the oil. Don't worry, we are going to see where I'm putting it, okay? So this is my second batch. I'm going to allow it to, kind of deep fry a little bit, because when it is deep fried, you can, it's going to be crunchy. So thank you guys for watching. So right now my chips, I'm done. This is that. So I put this one because I want it to absorb, the oil. So this is the end of my chips. You can see, and it's crunching. So can you get that? It's a crunchy chips. It's so good. Just put it inside the container and enjoy the snacks.